how to turn on or turn off spelling correction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on spelling correction. So after click on spelling correction, so now here showing you spelling correction button. For example, this is spelling correction button. So if you want to turn off spelling correction button, so turn off this button, you will say spelling correction button is turn off. So if you want to turn on spelling correction button, so turn on this button. So after turn on spelling correction button, you will see spelling correction button is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off spelling correction button from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off spelling correction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.